Today, we're going to do a riff on an old fashioned with passion fruit rum. We're going to call this the Old Fashioned Passion. A bar spoon of pineapple syrup, a 1/4 ounce of gum syrup, 2 ounces of Star and Key passion fruit rum, 2 dashes of tiki bitters, 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Stirred until chilled and diluted. Not to be over the top, but we're going to use a little bit of smoke from the Smoke Fashion Company. Veteran owned. A little bit of fresh orange zest. There you have it, the Old Fashioned Passion. Cheers.